Ah, itong message na ito ay para sa lahat, buhat sa pamilya ni Manong. Labis kaming nagdurugo ang kalooban sa pangyayari, pero niloob ni Lord. Kaya tanggapin natin lahat ang kagustuhan ng kung may kapal. Lahat naman tayo ay darating dyan. Sana nasa sinapupunan na siya ni Bathala at siya ay mas tahimik doon. At idalangin na lang natin for the repose of his soul. Yun lang. At nakikiramay kami kay Andy at kay Nining. At tanggapin natin ang maluwag sa kalooban. At baka susunod kayo naman ang magkasakit. Yun lang muna at marami pang susunod.
Rai, this is Tita Rose with your Tito Phil beside me. It's really hard to believe that you already joined our Creator. You have responded to His call, and now you are gone physically. But in our hearts, in our souls, your memories are always here. Rai, goodbye. We love you so much. We know that you are already at peace with our Creator. We are letting you go. We are releasing you with open hearts. We love you very much. Neneng, Andy, and Kat, we join you in this moment, in all your moments of pain and solitude. Your pain is also our pain. But be strong. Ryan wants us all to be happy. Although deep inside, we are all weeping. We are all grieving. Goodbye, Rai. We love you.
Okay.
Bago ko nga pala makalimutan, I'm sorry Kat, I was not able to mention your name and also Peanut and your other son. I bear with you and I also would like to extend my condolence to each and every one of you over there. Thank you.
Ayun. Okay.
Sumusalita.